Are you looking for that best, delicious, healthy fried rice that do not look like emutu? That is just by the way. I mean, do you want it very singled? Oh my goodness, you are at the right place because this one, was very nice. And in today's video, that is what I'm going to share with you. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where we do easy and yet delicious recipe. Now I have my coconut oil, my soy sauce, and washed rice, very well washed rice. I am not going to add any salt to it. Just put that on fire and then we can concentrate here. Okay, I've added my grapeseed oil. I will go ahead and add my eggs, and then we are going to prepare our scrambled eggs. Okay, then we can continue. Are you still with me? Thank you so much. Have you subscribed or followed? No? Oh, please, what are you waiting for? Can you do so for me? Thank you for doing it. Now I will remove everything and then add some coconut oil and then add my vegetables. So you can add any vegetables of your choice. Okay, you can add any vegetables of your choice. So I have my onions and then my carrot. I will just saute it or stir fry it, anyhow you see it. Okay, I have now added my pepper, ginger, garlic, and then parsley. I'll wait for a while and then add my rice. Is it not simple? Very, very simple. No time wasted. Add the rice bit by bit and then give it a stir so you get that perfect outcome. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. On our Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short, we share detailed short recipes which you will fall in love with it. So please follow us. Okay, now when I was done with that, I went ahead to add the rest of the rice. I know someone will ask me, why are you using rubber to stir this? That thing is not rubber. Okay. It's not rubber. That will melt. It's a silicone. That is just by the way. Now I've added my eggs, the eggs we prepared earlier, and I've added my pineapple. If you've not tried this, try it. Try and add some pineapple to your fried rice. Now, like the way you will enjoy it. It is very nice. I'll give it a stir and I will add the rest of the ingredients very soon. Now I have not tried this before, but today I decided to do so. I added some oyster sauce. I have not added oyster sauce to my fried rice before, but today I decided to do so. Okay, I don't actually know where I saw someone. I don't know the actual person I saw adding oyster sauce to the fried rice. Okay, I went ahead to add my maize or corn. That is just small quantity. Okay, it is not cooked. Yes, and then I'll just give it a stir and allow the heat to cook that for me. I will then add my cashew nut. Yes, and trust me, adding cashew nut to your fried rice, oh my goodness, it takes it to the next level. It is very nice and delicious. So if you've not tried that before, just do so, and I am very sure that you will fall in love with it. Now this is where we have gotten to. Just look at how beautiful it looks. I will then go ahead and add my scallions to it, give it a stir, and just look at that. This is so beautiful and very colorful, just like how I want my fried rice. When I was adding the scallions, I off the fire before adding it. Now I have added my favorite seasoning to add extra taste to it. You can omit it if you don't like that. Okay, yes, I did not add any salt to it, and small seasoning because of the soy sauce because it is very salty, you know that. Yeah, so just look at that. That reminds me, the very first time I tried fried rice, it was very salty because I did not know soy sauce contains salt, but this time around I know. So be very careful, okay, when you are preparing fried rice. Do not add salt to it anyhow. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.